Are your mutual funds just sitting idle in your Demat account waiting for long-term gains? If so, you're missing out on unlocking their true potential. Consistent, extra income generation. In this video, I'm revealing a game-changing strategy that savvy investors use to generate steady income by selling options backed by their mutual funds. You'll learn how to decide whether to sell calls or puts based on market trends, select the right strike price and expiry, and even pledge your funds step by step. Let's dive in. The strategy: selling options. The key to this strategy is selling options. Once you've pledged your mutual funds, you can use the margin to sell options and generate extra income. But here's the question: should you sell call options or put options? The answer depends on the market conditions, so let's break it down. Scenario 1. If the market has risen significantly. For instance, if Nifty has already gained around 11 to 12% or more in the past year, it's unlikely to move much higher in the short term. In this situation, you should sell call options at strike prices around 15% higher than the current market level. For example, if Nifty is trading at 23,800, sell calls at strike prices like 27,400 or above. This keeps your risk low while allowing you to earn premiums effectively. Scenario 2. If the market has fallen or is flat. If Nifty has been flat or has fallen significantly over the past year, it's more likely to rebound. Here, you should consider selling put options instead. Choose strike prices near key support levels such as the 200-day moving average, 200 DAMA, or multi-year lows, or the 100-week moving average. For example, if Nifty is having a support level like 21,000, sell puts at 21,000 or slightly below to create a safe buffer. By aligning your strategy with market trends and historical data, you significantly reduce your risk while maximizing your chances of earning consistent premiums. Why selling yearly options is best for beginners. Now let's talk about the expiry. You might wonder, should you sell weekly, monthly, or yearly options? For new investors, my recommendation is to sell yearly options because they offer several advantages. Reduced volatility risk. Yearly options are less affected by short-term market fluctuations, making them safer for beginners. Higher premiums. Longer duration options often provide higher premiums, giving you better returns. Low maintenance. Selling yearly options means fewer transactions and less time spent monitoring the market. For beginners, it's always best to stick to far out of the money yearly options. This ensures minimal risk while generating consistent income. The solution: pledging mutual funds. So how do you fund these trades without tying up additional capital? This is where pledging comes into play. Pledging lets you use your mutual funds as collateral to access margin for trading. Think of it like using your house as security for a loan. You still own the house, but now you're using its value to generate more income. Here's how it works. When you pledge your mutual funds with your broker, you receive a margin based on their value. This margin can then be used to sell options, creating a new stream of extra income. Instead of letting your funds sit idle, you're actively putting them to work while retaining ownership. How to pledge your mutual funds. Pledging your mutual funds is a simple process. Log into your Demat account. Look for the section labeled Pledge or Margin Against Securities. Here you'll see your mutual fund holdings that are eligible for pledging. Select the mutual funds to pledge. Choose the funds you want to pledge, and the system will show you the margin amount you can receive. Confirm the pledge request. Once you confirm, your broker processes the pledge, and the margin becomes available in your account. Contact your broker for help. If you can't find the pledge option, simply contact your broker. They'll guide you through the process and ensure your funds are pledged without hassle. Within a day or two, your funds will be pledged and you'll be ready to start generating extra income. What if your mutual funds aren't pledgeable? Here's a common question. What if your mutual funds can't be pledged? The solution is simple. Switch to index funds. Index funds, like those tracking Nifty or Sensex, are highly liquid and can be easily pledged with most brokers. They also typically have lower expense ratios, meaning more of your money stays invested. By switching to index funds, you maintain flexibility and ensure your investments are ready to generate extra income. Are you currently generating extra income with your mutual funds, or are you considering switching to index funds? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and answer any questions. Don't let your investments sleep in your Demat account. Start pledging your mutual funds or shift to index funds today to unlock consistent extra income. If this video gave you valuable insights, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Mastering Market for more smart investing strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.